Here we are in Waterloo. This was a build that we did last spring. Fantastic build. The customer really wanted to be able to have a spot where they could get out of the sun. They had an existing shelter, but it didn't work very well for them. It didn't seem to block any of the heat. As soon as we put this up though, they absolutely loved it. With the heat stop cool blue in the roof, their ability to be out here in the summertime, they can be out here all day, open up all the glass, and they can literally live the dream. They put full height glass around the entire thing, keeping their existing rail. They did sliders on the side, and they did a full retractable glazing system along the front, so they can completely open this thing up in the summertime. And they actually use this spot probably about 11 months out of the year. They have a space heater inside the room, so they're able to come out here during snowstorms. If they want to get a little bit warmed up when they're inside the hot tub, coming from here to the hot tub, they have all sorts of options that they do for a family of 5. You can tell they've got the table set up here so they can come out here, have their barbecues. This is the spot that they normally live in during the summer. One of the things that they've done here, because of engineering and snow load, we did add a glue lam beam in the roof here, again, so that it meets engineering. Fantastic room. Like I said, this customer, one of my faves, because I'm able to bring other customers here. They have no problem showing off the room. They're more than accommodating because we met all of their needs. All of their needs were met. They wanted a spot that their family could come out, be outside. They actually have some chickens outside here. They're able to enjoy the view of the forest. Like I said, one of my favorite customers because they're so happy with the room.